I'm at the beach. Ooh. Y'all, this sand is hot. Oh my god. Yeah. Actually, it got deeper, huh? Hey y'all, I'm back. So, I just went in the water and everything. And right now I'm just eating pineapple. Supposed to be eating it with a toothpick though, but I don't have a toothpick. People are looking at me. I don't really. I mean, I can't talk with that dude. But the pineapples are good. Plus I have other fruit and everything. I gotta get me in the water too. Cause yeah. So let me put this back before I eat them all. Cause I am the type to eat all the fruit. Okay, one more. Y'all, it was so packed when we got here. So there was 40 slots when my mom like stayed online. Now almost all of them was filled when we got there. So we had to park all the way at the back, all the way, and we never park all the way at the back. We usually park the third row, the second or third row. But yeah, also I have something to get ready with me for this. No, what I was packing, but I ended up like not bringing like almost all of that. Not all of it, some of it. So yeah, but this is what is looking behind me though. Try not to get anyone. I just got my nails, but my ring stayed on. My nails stayed on, period. And yeah. Y'all, I got me some. We bought these ourselves, but there is like a concession stand you can go to. It's right here actually. That's our concession stand. Not ours. That's the place's concession stand. And yeah. Also, I did not put my hair up. Cause like, I'm gonna be keeping this style almost all summer. But I'm gonna be doing like a a quick weave soon. Y'all saw how I just bit into that? Replay. I think because my mom watered it before there was still water. I don't know. I know y'all can't see me, but there was people tackling and everything. And then me and my friends were gonna come here to do a picnic. And then next week, I'm like, us and my boyfriend's family. There's I thought those was the people that was being weird in the water. It's not, but yeah, so then we're gonna invite, okay, I'm gonna do a picnic with my friends, and I'm gonna invite my boyfriend's family here. We're gonna hang out. So yeah. We're on the water? We're on the water technically because we're on the float. We're just chilling. Oh, is my phone upside down? No, it's this way. I'm walking back to our thingy because my phone is overheating. But yeah, there's a lot of like sand in my slides. But yeah, I'm walking back, and there's like people like right in front of our tent, so they're just like looking at me right now. But yeah. Anyways, I don't know why my thing is on the bottom and it's upside down. It is upside down. So I was just filming that whole clip upside down. So sorry, my bad. I'll flip it back. But I'm coming to put my phone down because it is overheating. And this is what it's looking like, y'all. But yeah, I'll come back to y'all when we're back on land. Okay, we are leaving, and y'all, I thought somebody stole my clothes. Cause this, I'm not leaving in this. I mean, I didn't come in this. I'm leaving in it. And so I had different clothes for coming in it. And they were not there for the wildest time, the longest time. We would have been left. But we was looking for my clothes. Whole time it's under my brother's bag. Yeah, I was mad though. But we're gonna go back home. And yeah.